So, good day everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So, for today, it's a special day since we are flexing another request from our subscribers. So, hi to Nico Del Pilar, who happens to be the son of my friend Nestor Del Pilar. So, I hope that this lesson would somehow help you understand your topic on Gauss-Jordan method. Okay? So without further ado, let's go directly to our problem. So you are given this, we were given this set of equations. So all you have to do is to find the value of A, B, C, and D. Okay, so of course, obviously you have 4 equations and 4 unknown. So one of the useful methods to use is the Gauss-Jordan method. Actually, we were able to solve it using a system of elimination or by elimination, but now we want to prove if our answers are correct using Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, so what is Gauss-Jordan method? So we have to transform the matrix into this form, okay, by putting the coefficient of each variable into matrix. So in this case, you have A minus B minus C minus 2D is equal to 4. So the coefficient of A here is 1, and the coefficient of B here is -1, and the coefficient of C here is -1 and -2, and then the constant should be at the right side of your matrix, okay, separated by a line or sometimes dotted line, so that is 4 here, okay? So you will do that one for all the equations until you finally have same like this. Okay, so the first method is, again, our target is to make all this 0, and diagonally you have to make them 1. Okay, so I hope you can still follow. So I will try to solve the whole the whole thing and then explain to you later on how we arrive with the answer. Okay, I'll try to solve it as fast as I can. So let's try. So that was so fast. So let me try to explain one by one now. So again, as I've said, the target is on how we can transform this matrix into this form so that we can know the value of our A, B, C, and D, since the variables used here are A, B, C, and D. Okay, so again, we have to make this one 0, 0, 0. So how do we do that? So I put here a formula wherein to make this one 0 is you have to multiply the row 1. So this is your row 1. This is our reference row now. Row 1 multiplied by -2 plus R2. So in this case, you have here -2R1. So -2 times 1. This is one. -2 times 1 plus R2. So -2 plus 2, that will make it 0 here. Okay? That's why we got 0 there. Again, this one now is how we arrive with 0 here. So negative, let's do it one by one. So -2 times -1, okay, plus R2, which is -1, so that makes it 1 here. So -2 times -1 is +2, minus 1, that is 1 here. Okay? Again, here on the third column, so -2 times -1, that's 2, plus R2, which is R2 is 2, so that makes it 4 here. Okay? And then again, you have here -2 times -2, that is +4, minus -1, that is 3. So same also with the constant. So -2 times 4, that's -8, plus 0, that makes it -8 here. Okay. So again, we're doing this to make this first column below 1 here to make it 0, to make them 0. So again, the formula here is -1R1 plus R3. So negative R1, so that is -1 plus 1, that is 0. and then negative R1, that's positive 1, plus R3, that is 2, and then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive, plus 2, that is 3. Okay? Then negative R1 times negative 2 is positive 2, plus 0, that is 2. So negative R1, that is negative 4, plus 1, that is negative 3. So you just have to find a formula wherein you can make this first column down 1 zeros. Okay, so until we got this number here again, same as on the row on row 4. Okay. So the next one is how you can make again this one, since your target is to make this diagonal 1 below are all zeros and above are all zeros. So diagonally 1, below 0, above 0. So you already have 1 here, so we have to make again this 0, and this one is 0. So we put a formula here wherein we have R2, okay, plus R1. So if you will add R2 plus R1, we can make this one a 0. Say R2 plus R1, this is 0. Okay? Negative 1, R2, R2, 4, plus negative 1, that is 3. So, 3 plus negative 2, that is 1. And then 4, okay, plus negative 8 is negative 4. So that's how we get this row here. So we were able to make this one 0, and then by applying also the same formula here, you will get another 0 here and another 0 here. So again, same formula again, or same method again. So the next step is, okay, you have already 1 here. So how you will make now this 0? So you'll have to make a formula here, since this is your reference row here. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So this is your reference row. So how you will make now this 3, 0, this column here, 1, the first, so the 3, 4, and negative 5, 0 here. So you made the formula here, negative 3R3 plus R1, so it will make you 0 here. Negative 4R3 plus R1, so we'll make this one 0. And 5, since this is negative, so the additive inverse is 5. So 5R5 R3 plus R4, 5R3 plus R4 will make this one 0. Okay, so this is our result when you apply this formula here. So again, if you will make this one, so if this is your result, and you have negative 9 here, and you have 18 here, so all you have to do is to make this one 1. Your target again is to make all of this 1. So to make this one 1 is you have to divide all of these rows by negative 9, or negative R4 divided by 9, so that you will get 1 here. So we're close already to our final answer. So again, you have to make this one 0 using row 4 as your reference row. Okay, so how you will make that one? So if you have negative R4 plus R1, so it will make 0. Negative 7 R4 plus R2, this will make 0. Okay, R4 plus R3, this will make 0. So if you were able to complete all the cycle, or if you were able to make all this 0 and all this 0, and then you have diagonally 1, so what comes out here are the answer for your are the values of your A, B, C, and D. Again, it should be alphabetically arranged. So this will be A now is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to -1, and D is equal to -2. Okay? So as I've said, we solved already this one using systems of by elimination. So again, you can check your answer by substituting these values to this value. So if you substitute A, B, C, and D here, you will get 4. So that means your answers are correct. Okay? So working with Gauss Jordan is a bit tedious. You have to be very careful. It's I think addition and subtraction and multiplications of numbers only. So you just have to be very careful with the sign, and then you'll get the correct answer. So, thank you for watching, and keep on watching our succeeding videos. Until next time, bye.